Small skiing, the pink-feet geese just lifted off the DS3 at Parkgate. They're about a mile away at the minute, but they're gonna go down again, probably into the main channel. Let's just see if we can stick with them for a little bit. More geese on the move, just over on the hill here. A little bit. The Greylag. Going down. They're probably heading up towards Burton to go on the roost, where most migratory geese seem to stay at daytime and then head out onto the sands Southport Way by the sand quarry for the evening. Here then once again. You can see the white flashes on the wings to let you know that they are Greylag. Sorry about the lamppost, I forgot to take it down. Thanks for watching AA-AUDITS. Please give us a